Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Makeup Stories by CB. Today I'm gonna do the makeup look, which is stunning makeup look, and this can be done for your engagement look or parties look. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it so you don't miss any notification of the new videos because I'll be making more such videos. This is our model's face before we start our makeup. Firstly, I'll be cleaning her face with this Innisfree cleanser. Then, with this Plum Tea Tree Moisturizer and Mist, I'm gonna moisturize her face. First segment, we'll be working with our eyelids. So I'm priming the eyelid. Next, I'm applying the concealer. This concealer I'm using here is by Oriflame, and I'll be applying it all over the eyes. Next, I'm gonna set the eyelids with the Forever 52 Makeup Compact. Next, I'm gonna fill the eyebrows a little bit. For that, I'm using a gel liner, and I'm applying upward strokes to the eyebrows. I'll be writing all the products used in this video in the description box. You can note it down from there. I'll do same for the other eye also. Fill the eyebrows a little bit. After our eyebrows are done, we'll be moving forward to the eye makeup. For this, I'm taking the color of pink and the analogs from the James Charles palette. And I'll be adding it to the crease line, slowly and gradually building the color. Next, I've taken a darker shade and I'll add it to the crease line to define the eyeball, and I'll build the color slowly. Follow for the other eye also. I'm gonna blend them together for a natural gradient look. Following the same to the other eye as well. Next, I'm taking the gel liner from Makeup Studio and adding it roughly to the eyelids. Next, I'll be blending this liner into the eyeball and the color, which will give it a nice and diffused effect. These brushes which I'm using for blending are from Beautilicious, and if you do not have a brush, you can use the fingertips. They work very well for blending. Next, I'll be adding a little shimmer to the eyeballs. And dusting off the extra dust, shimmer or anything from the face. Next, moving on to the face, I'll apply this creme foundation from PAC palette. And blend it with the help of a beauty blender. Creme foundation gives a better coverage to the face and lasts long. Then I'll contour the face wherever it is necessary and blend it with the help of a beauty blender. Again, this contour is from the base palette of PAC. Next, I'm applying the liquid concealer to the darker areas of a face, like for the dark circles, the chin area, the temple. Our base is ready, and to set this base, I'm using the Forever 52 Compact. This is the dual compact, and I'm using a brush from Beautilicious. Setting the foundation all over her face. Next, I am using this setting spray to set the base prepared. Next, I'm adding the rosy glow to her face by adding a pinkish blush to her cheeks and blending it into the face. Next, I'll add the Pro Art lashes to her eyelashes. This will give a dramatic effect. Next, this highlighter to highlight her features like the bridge of the nose, cheekbones and the temple of her face. Slowly and gradually adding the highlighter with a brush. Next, I am defining her eyes by adding a little liner to the waterline. For a bolder effect, I'll add it below the waterline as well. You can see the face has already started to glow. Next, to finish the look, I'll add the lipstick. These lipstick lip liner are from Avon and these are best for working and long lasting. When the makeup is done, I'll set the makeup by Depre, the makeup fixer by Makeup Studio. And with this, completing the hairstyle and the look is done. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it for further such videos. Thank you so much.